Hey there, welcome back to Bit 9. Today we're diving into a controversial topic that many of you have probably wondered about at some point. Can we install cracked software on Mac OS? Installing cracked software on your Mac OS. Can you do it? Yes, technically you can. But should you? Absolutely not. Let's dive into why. First and foremost, downloading and using cracked software is a form of piracy. It's illegal and can lead to serious consequences. But the legal risks aren't the only concern. Let me share a bit of my experience. Back in the day, like many others, I was tempted by the allure of free software. Who wouldn't want premium tools without the hefty price tag, right? But trust me, the short-term gains are far outweighed by the long-term risks and headaches. Cracked software is tampered with, and this tampering often introduces backdoors, viruses, and other malicious elements. When you install cracked software, you're essentially inviting hackers into your system. Hackers can exploit your computer's resources, using its computing power to mine cryptocurrency for their benefit. Even worse, they could gain access to sensitive information like your bank details, leading to potential financial losses. Another big issue is updates. When you use legitimate software, you get regular updates that not only bring new features, but also patch security vulnerabilities. Cracked software doesn't get these updates, leaving you exposed to known exploits. Imagine missing out on a critical update just because you're using an illegitimate version. It's not worth it. And then there's the ethical side of things. Software developers put in countless hours of hard work to bring us these amazing tools. By using cracked versions, we're essentially stealing from them. Supporting developers by purchasing their software helps ensure they can continue creating and improving the products we love and rely on. The safest way to install software on Mac is through the App Store or the official websites of the developers. These sources guarantee that you're getting authentic, unaltered applications that keep your Mac secure and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and advice. Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.